Hi, I'm Matt. I am a senior solutions architect at AWS. I use generative AI a lot. It's a huge time saver. So if we have to come up with a doc, for instance, I can feed an example of an existing doc in all the format into the Gen AI, and it'll give me a draft. I can take that draft and then edit it, review it, ensure that it's accurate, and save probably hours. So far, we've looked at the input stage of how a language model works. This is where it breaks up our initial question or prompt into smaller pieces. After the prompt gets chopped into smaller pieces, then what happens? Well, the model will represent each word internally, not just the text, but the meaning as well. And this is why the pre-training was so important. During that process, the model analyzed vast amounts of data to detect patterns and associations. Take frog, for example. It links it with toad because they're both amphibians. But it also makes a clever link to horse, not the animal, but when your voice sounds funny. That's because we also say people sound froggy or have a frog in their throat. It's all about making connections. This is the storage aspect of a language model, where these meanings are saved and later retrieved to generate new words. And since models are like computers, they prefer to use numbers, or in this case, a list of numbers. Each number in the list represents a word or topic, and its value indicates how closely they're associated. It's as if each list is a personal contact list that scores each word's friendship level. The higher the number, the stronger the connection. In actual language models, it's a lot harder to tell what each column might represent. What's more important is similar words share similar numbers as if they're close to each other in meaning and in use. These lists of numbers are called embeddings, and they're used by language models to represent and approximate the meaning of words. With embeddings, chatbots have a way to approximate the meaning of each word in the input. This moves us one step closer to having chatbots that can generate new words. I think for the people who are just at the very beginning of understanding Gen AI, it would be helpful to keep an open mind and to realize that it's just another tool. And if you know how to use it, then you can get more things accomplished.